Namo Ramana. This is Ujjwal from Ramana Maharshi Center for Learning, a classical dancer, teacher, and theatre arts for holistic development faculty. I invite you for the RAISE family immersion experience here in this video. RAISE is Ramana Art Form Intervention for Self-Awareness and Excellence. And here in this video, we are using one of the beautiful tools of theatre arts, which is music. The music is soothing, music is energizing, and music is loved and brings joy to everyone. This music is also combined with the hand gestures, which brings out the meaning, and each one of us can relate to the music and rhythm. Here is this beautiful song penned by Dr. Sharda. Please do practice it yourself before you can share it with your dear ones and your children. And I invite you to experience this joy of theatre arts and joy of music and dance. Namo Ramana. Today we are going to learn a song which is on Ramana Tata. It describes his mother's name, which is Alagammal, and it also mentions his father's name, Sundaram Ayyar. And Ramana Tata was born in a small village called Tiruchuli, and he played with his friends in that place called Tiruchuli. Are you all ready? Join the singing the second time. அழகம் மனவரபாலா அழகம் மனவரபாலா ரமணா ஆனந்தலீலா ரமணா ஆனந்தலீலா அழகம் மனவரபாலா அழகம் மனவரபாலா ரமணா ஆனந்தலீலா ரமணா ஆனந்தலீலா சுந்தரார்யன தபபலா சுந்தரார்யன தபபலா ரமணா திருச்சுழி விலோலா ரமணா திருச்சுழி விலோலா ரமணா ஆனந்தலீலா ரமணா ஆனந்தலீலா அழகம் மனவரபாலா அழகம் மனவரபாலா ரமணா ஆனந்தலீலா ரமணா ஆனந்தலீலா. Namo Ramana. Let's move on to the next part of the song, which talks about the day when Ramana was born. It was the day of Ardra Darshana, the festival of Lord Nataraja, the Nataraja who dances happily in every heart. Are you ready? Ananda Natana. Repeat. Ananda Natana. ಹೃದಯದಿ ಮಾಡುತ್ತ ಹೃದಯದಿ ಮಾಡುತ್ತ ಟುಗೆದರ್ ಆನಂದ ನಟನ ಹೃದಯದಿ ಮಾಡುತ್ತ ಆನಂದ ನಟನ ಹೃದಯದಿ ಮಾಡುತ್ತ ರಮಣ ಆರ್ದ್ರ ದಿನ ಜನಿತ ರಮಣ ಆರ್ದ್ರ ದಿನ ಜನಿತ ರಮಣ ಆನಂದಲೀಲಾ ரமணா ஆனந்தலீலா அழகம் மனவரபாலா அழகம் மனவரபாலா ரமணா ஆனந்தலீலா ரமணா ஆனந்தலீலா. When Ramana was born, a star was shining in the sky, and the name of that star is Punarvasu, and that is the star of Lord Rama. Rama, Rama, Ramana, Ramana. Punya punarvasudita, Punya punarvasudita, Ramana Kamaniya Sucharita, Ramana Kamaniya Sucharita. Punya punarvasudita, Punya punarvasudita, Ramana Kamaniya Sucharita, Ramana Kamaniya Sucharita, Ramana Anandalila, Ramana Anandalila, Alagam Manavarabala, Alagam Manavarabala, Ramana Anandalila, Ramana Anandalila, Sundararyana Tapapala, Sundararyana Tapapala, Ramana Tiruchulivilola, Ramana Tiruchulivilola, Ramana Anandalila, Ramana Anandalila, Alagam Manavarabala, Alagam Manavarabala, Ramana Anandalila, Ramana Anandalila, Ramana Anandalila, Ramana Anandalila. Thank you. Thank you for watching the video. I invite each one of you to be a part of our online regular sessions, which happens mostly every Thursdays from 5:15 to 6:15 p.m. IST. And I invite each one of you as a family, because all the children of all ages and adults are invited to be a part of this experience and to enjoy this RAISE family immersion experience.